Hey everybody, this is Leslie and you're watching Midlife and Nailing It. If you could please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, that would be awesome. Today I have for you an Erin Condren January flip through. I hope you enjoy. So I'm going to go ahead and do a flip through of my Erin Condren planner for the month of January, and you'll be able to see how I use my Erin Condren planner because everybody uses it differently. I'm kind of functional slash I like the stickers a little bit, and I love supporting the Etsy sticker companies that are ran by women out of their homes. And so I'm going to feature the companies that I've bought the stickers from and include the links to their shops in my description box below here. Yeah, so without further ado, let's get started and see how this goes here. Okay guys, so I'm going to do a quick flip through of the month of January in my new Erin Condren planner. So this is the planner that I went with, and I'm going to go ahead and just grab the January tab and open it on up. I usually take more notes than I've already got a ton more notes on February, but I was kind of slacking, I'm be honest. I didn't list, but my intention was to list some books I wanted to read. Down here, I use this box to keep track of the companies that I use their stickers from during the month, because I'm planning on doing these planner flip throughs every month because I might forget, and I don't want to forget anybody. I did do my monthly goals this month. So yeah, I usually put more on this page, but January I was slacking, guys. I don't know what to tell you. Now, I used to get the spreads where you decorated with stickers on the monthly overview here. I don't do that anymore. What I do is I always use pencil for the monthly spread, and the only things I put on my monthly spread are the things that are scheduled. That way, if I have something scheduled 2 months from now, I can flip through, write it in. If I've got a doctor's appointment or a hair appointment 2 months from now, it's in here and it's ready to go. And I don't have to wait for a sticker kit to completely organize this. Those are beautiful, and I'm not knocking anyone that does that, but I needed a space that was like functional, and then I can erase if something cancels or I change my mind about something. Yeah, so that is what I do first. Like for the month of January, you'll see I've penciled in all of our appointments or things we had tickets for, that type situation. So that is what I've decided to do. And then on the side is where I kind of throw on some notes, like modern concrete. I happened to see over the summer some concrete work they had done that was pretty extensive, and way more extensive than we're going to need. But my God, did they do a beautiful job. And I've really look at it when I go by, and it looks like it's holding up well. They just did a really good job. So, you know, I jotted that down. So those are the kinds of things that I take notes on as I go, so I can flip through and find that information. So for the week of December 30th, I used this sticker set, and everyone was still off of work and school, so we didn't have as much going on as we normally would. I've decided to use down here for anything that has to do with filming or YouTube or anything. But yeah, so this sticker set, and these stickers were gorgeous. I was really happy with the stickers. It was a new company that I had never used before, but she has real pictures of things. And this sticker set that I decided to use is Sticky Peonies, and I'll include a link in the description box below if you would like to see more of what she does. But yeah, she did a really good job, and I didn't use all the stickers. I'm not one to cover the entire book or anything, but yeah, so I used for this week Sticky Peonies. So for the week of January the 6th, I'm using Sticky Peonies as well. Look at how pretty her pictures are on her stickers. They're so flippin' cute. So the kids went back to school this week, but my husband had this week off as well, and I was super sick, so it's not as filled in as it normally would be. But this set of stickers is Sticky Peonies as well. And yeah, I really enjoyed her detail. I really did. So for the week of January 13th, this was super colorful and gorgeous. And this is actually one of my very favorite companies. And I cannot say enough stuff about this company. This is actually paper candy art, and I love these stickers. Not just the way that they turn out. I mean, look at all this. This is not my washi. This came with the kit. I didn't use anything that wasn't part of the kit. This was a complete kit. And her stickers are just gorgeous. They're super high quality, so if you go to put something down and you need to move the sticker, it peels right back up and you can move it. And part of that has to do with how awesome her stickers are, and then also part of that has to do with the quality of the paper of an Erin Condren planner. For the next week, which was the week of January the 20th, this is also paper candy art as well. And this was a gorgeous, as you can see, our lives are starting to get back to normal and busy after Christmas and everyone being sick and the whole 9 yards. I didn't even use half of the spread. And it's just gorgeous. It really is. I loved this spread. I have tons of stickers left from this one. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and link her in the description box below as well. How gorgeous, right? Super gorgeous. And everything that I used came from her set. So yeah, for February, I've decided to use this box for YouTube. So I'm starting to fill that in. And I need to fill a little more in here. But I'm using pencil, I decided, for this page. And then, of course, pencil for this. And as things come up, I'll be filling in. And there are some things I still need to put in here. So yeah, that is how I've decided to use my Erin Condren planner. Okay, so I will go ahead and put a link to Erin Condren, to Etsy, into the sticker companies that I used for the month of January. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see everybody soon. Bye-bye.